In order to reset your service interval in your Audi A6 C7, this is 2016, you need to put car into ignition. But in order to do that, you should not press the brake. So if you press the brake and push the start-stop button, then the car will turn on. But if you don't step on the brake, you will turn on ignition. So just press start engine and the ignition turns on. Now go into your car, go into the systems. So while in car systems, go into servicing and checks, and then service intervals, and then here you can scroll down and you have reset oil change interval. Do you really want to reset the oil change interval? Yes. The oil change interval has been reset. Next oil change in 50,000 kilometers or 1 year. That's it. That's how you reset it.